land use.
Tukielekea kaunti ya Machakos ni kwamba serikali imeanzisha huduma za usaidizi za mamlaka ya mali za fedha zisizodaiwa katika vituo vya huduma kote nchini. Hatua hii inapania kuwawezesha Wakenya kurejesha mabilioni ya pesa zilizoachwa na wapendwa wao waliofariki.
This thing has been launched countrywide. The reason why we are doing it countrywide simply because wananchi were walking long distance from wherever they live up to Nairobi to go and claim what was left behind by their fathers, their spouses, and to date you heard what I said, almost 3 billion.
Let me also inform Kenyans that we also have another desk called the NEA, National Employment Authority. Our youth and all those seeking for jobs inside Kenya and outside the country, I am inviting all of you to visit any Huduma Center in Kenya, 59 of them.
We also have Huduma Mashinani, where Huduma Centers take services to citizens living in remote locations to provide services. We also have the Huduma online and mobile platforms where service charters information for more than 250 MDAs can be accessed in this platform.
The Unclaimed Financial Assets is legally mandated to establish and maintain an effective reunification system that safeguards the interests of potential owners of unclaimed financial assets. This mandate is particularly significant for vulnerable beneficiaries, for example, the widows, orphans, and families who may be unaware of assets held in their name.
Lakini kwa sasa hii huduma itatutolea haki yetu na mali yetu sisi kama Wakenya isijikapotea. So tunasema ni asante.
Tuelekee kaunti namba 41.